Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. So I hope you're all well. Today we have the Google Pixel 5 5G and it's in the Sorter Sage colour. So a bit of a weird name for a slightly greeny colour that Google are putting out. So this will be my first ever Google phone, Google Pixel. So without further ado, let's get into the box. We've got these little tabs on the back. Lovely. And we're greeted straight away by the phone. So leave that tab up there. And that is the back of the phone. It's got a slightly textured feel to the back. Looks like a bit of dust on there then. So a fingerprint scanner on the back in that little dot there. Little Google symbol on the bottom. Let's see if we can get a nice little... I hope that was nice. Now just trying to see whether there's a... Doesn't seem like there's a pre-installed screen protector. So let's just go through a couple of specs while we boot this up. So the phone itself cost £599 here in the UK. It runs Android 11 with a 4000 mAh battery. It has a 6-inch FHD screen, which is 1080 by 2340 with a 432 ppi. Inside we have a Snapdragon 765G with 8GB of RAM and a 128GB of storage. This lovely back that you see here is recycled aluminium. I'm assuming the actual Sorter Sage on the back is the actual recycled material, as it seems. The front is protected by Gorilla Glass 6. It's IP68 water and dust resistant. The cameras on the back are a 12.2 dual pixel camera and a 16 megapixel ultra wide with an 8 megapixel front facing camera. So that, I believe, is all the specs out of the way. And there's the first look at the screen there. So first observations from me, the edges, they all look, obviously it's all the same sizes around the edge. The screen to body ratio, not quite as aggressive as I would think, but the fact that it's the same all the way around does kind of play to its strengths. Now let's leave that over there for a minute and finish the rest of the box. So this nice little cardboard cutout there. User manuals and SIM tray. And then to finish off, USB-C to USB-C. A USB-C to USB-A OTG cable and a USB-C wireless power brick, which I believe is 18 watts is what the charger can do. So I'm gonna go and set this up and I'll be back as soon as possible. This is the home screen of the Google Pixel 5. Of course my assistant wants to go up there. So let's have a quick look through the settings. So we've got battery and it tells you exactly how long it should last until. Pretty nifty. Storage, I quite like how it gives you the information in the actual settings without having to click on the option. That's quite different. So let's go on display. So this runs with a 90 Hz display on the screen. So there you go, smooth display. Automatically from 60 to 90. And there doesn't seem to be an option to change the quality of the screen. just before we go, let's have a look at the camera. So I've got flash on, auto photo, full image, lens may need cleaning. Let's give that a little clean. Let's get a little plant as a subject there. Just try a macro shot. Try and focus in. So we've got some really nice colours in that. A little bit of noise while we're zoomed in, up to 7 times there. And that motion stabilization, that image stabilization there is pretty cool. That video is really nice. It shows up really nice on that screen. And there we go. Now I do just want to quickly mention the nice rounded glass all the way around. It's not too much, but it's really nice. And obviously that front facing camera there, 8 megapixels. They managed to hide it quite well most of the time. It's a shame that for a lot of those apps it's hidden in the notification bar at the top there, but then at the bottom they use the gestures from the sides of the screens instead of your buttons. And I'm actually really a fan of this recycled material on the back with the aluminium. So thank you for tuning in for this Google Pixel 5 unboxing. It's going to take a while to get used to the volume rockers being underneath the power button there, being from Samsung for so long. Well, I did forget to mention to go around the phone, so at the top we have a microphone, power button, volume rockers, dual speakers at the bottom, USB-C, SIM card tray on the left hand side there. Let's just quickly see. I don't believe it is, but is it expandable storage as well? Doesn't look like it. That just looks like it's a tray for a SIM card. So lovely. Yeah, that is the Google Pixel 5 Sorter Sage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Any comments, please comment down in the comments below. A subscription would be great to keep up to date with all the latest tech news. So thank you very much, have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.